we're gonna have to install an SSD into the Tyco TVC 8000. Let's get started. Now, this is something that I never would have done, ever. I still don't actually like doing this. But this was, for most of my life, considered to be a sacred object. Something I had such an extreme material attachment to it that it had such sentimental value that couldn't bear to even cross the boundary of opening it. So I don't even know if this thing will come apart. I just figured I'd It's so tough, even when you take it apart, it doesn't work. So the screws aren't. Ooh. Ooh. Oh god. It's happening. There's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. There's no more. So remember this top piece I talked about in the other video. This is what's going to need to come off. But I'm like trying to do this while looking through the viewfinder on the camera, and it's not as easy to do it that way. Oh, something is going to break. I just know it! Something else is attached somewhere else. I think I'm going to have to do the unspeakable, the unthinkable. I think I've tried this before and I got too nervous. I was like, okay, no. But no, we're doing it. We're going to open this. I don't care what it takes. You can see that this is... Oh, something happened. I don't know. I may be past the point of no return. Oh my god. This is it. This is what the inside of it looks like. And it's mostly empty space. And a very, very small circuit board. That's it. So apparently, according to that guy, there's a switch or something in there to change it to PAL mode. That's it. That's all there is to it. Most of it's just for show. That's why it was probably able to take so much impact damage. Now, some people were saying to swap out the camera part itself, like CCD or something. And I don't know if I can continue. Oh no! Oh! And I did it. That's what the inside looks like. Somebody wrote 379 in it in what looks like chalk. That's weird. This has got to mean something. Okay, so this is what the camera looks like. Red portion here, this is where the batteries go. That's the switch to turn it off and on. That's the... Whoops, that's the microphone. And this little box right here that I believe will just slide up is the camera. Whether or not this can be upgraded is, you know, a mystery. But we know that this thing sucks. Well, that's it. Oh wait, forgot. Gotta put this in there. Okay. should say the connections are up here so we can wire those in. Going to play games with me, are ya? Okay, fine. Have it your way. That looks pretty slick. I don't know about you. There. One Tyco camcorder, 32 gigabytes richer. This has been Draga1, signing off.